I really like the Hunter X2 controller. It's easy to install and it's easy to program. And with the ability to add Wi-Fi with the wand by Hunter, makes this a perfect choice for residential and light commercial irrigation systems. I install a lot of these controllers. I like the X2, it's an indoor-outdoor controller. I like the cabinet of it. This is going to be a weatherproof box, and it's got a good latching door that's not going to fly open in the wind or the weather. And it does have a place to put a lock to lock it, but it doesn't have a key like a lot of the outdoor controllers have. But when you open it up, it's got the front place that most of us are used to and love. It's got the turn dial that shows you all the different menus that you need to get to program this. It's got good soft buttons to scroll through your menus. And it does have a good backlit screen. When you open up the back, this is a fixed station controller. So you're going to pick how many stations you need, and that's one of the things you need to make sure you do. Buy the one that's going to fit your system. If you're replacing one or if you're designing one and installing one, make sure you get the controller with enough terminals, with enough zones to run your system. This one does come with a pigtail already in, which makes it really nice. This doesn't have to be an add-on piece. It's got an internal transformer that makes it really nice. It's already tucked in back behind here. And this has got a lot of room for a lot of wires. You can fit, this is a 14 station, you can fit all 14 wires in here. And it already has a molded piece here on the bottom to slide a 3/4 piece of PVC that's going to contain your wire right into the bottom. This is a 24-volt controller that plugs straight into your 120 plug. It's got a lot of great features, easy to program. It's one of the reasons I love these Hunter X2 controllers. By itself, it's a great controller, but they've made it where with the wand, you can make this a Wi-Fi controller and run it off of Hunter's HydroWise app, which is great to be able to control this controller from anywhere as long as you've got an internet connection. So overall, the Hunter X2 controller I think is a great controller. I use them a lot. I install them in a lot of places on residential and light commercial. So from a professional opinion, you can't go wrong with this one.